Have you guys ever took a trip or vacation with families and broke down? That's not good. So right now we're offering a pre-summer trip inspection for $49.99. I'll check your brakes. I make sure that brake lines have no leaks. I'm gonna check your belts. I'm gonna make sure there's no cracks in them so that the belt doesn't break and you have no AC or the water pump. We don't want your car to overheat. I'm gonna check your hoses, make sure those are intact and have no leaks in there. I'm gonna check your brake lights, your headlights, your turn signals, make sure they're all working so you're safe on the road. I'm gonna check all your fluids, make sure they're at level and where they should be at. I'm also gonna check your AC, making sure that your AC temperature is where it should be at. Also, we'll check your tires, make sure there's no nails, make sure they're safe, make sure there's no uneven wear or they're not splitting apart. We're gonna scan your vehicle, make sure there's no check engine lights, no SRS lights, no issues inside your computer system saying that you have a fault. We're gonna do all this for $49.99. Call today to make an appointment or click on the link and let's make an appointment. Guys, I can do this all while you're waiting. So before you make a trip with the family, let's make sure that your car is safe and ready to go.